Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the single formula that always works. Degrees F equals degrees C times 9/5 plus 32. First, write your Celsius value clearly and identify decimals. Next, multiply that number by 9, then divide the product by 5. This preserves the ratio between the scales. Once done, add 32 to shift the 0 point from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Make sure to keep the multiplication and division together before adding 32 so you don't change the result. Now you perform the arithmetic in order. Multiply the Celsius reading by 9 to scale the interval, then divide that intermediate product by 5 to complete the 9/5 factor. Once you have that quotient, add 32 to translate the 0 point. That gives you the temperature in Fahrenheit. If you're using mental math, simplify fractions like 9/5 equals 1. 8. But if precision matters, avoid rounding until the final step. This prevents small errors from compounding. Finish by formatting your Fahrenheit value with the needed decimals and units, for example 74, 3 degrees F. If the number looks off, troubleshoot by verifying your order of operations. You must multiply and divide before adding 32. Also check you didn't use 32 at the wrong point or swap 9 and 5. As a quick shortcut, remember 9/5 equals 1. 8, so you can compute degrees F equals degrees C times 1. 8 plus 32, which is faster for mental conversions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.